Alright guys, let me show you something. This is a bamboo suction cup bowl. This is actually something that one of my clients is actually looking into, and it's a suction cup, right? So how it works, it's really cool. Baby bowls, they're constantly throwing their things off the high chair, and you stick it like that, and it's actually a suction cup, right? And it comes with a bamboo spoon, which is actually really cool. So the good thing about these particular products is the MOQ is actually quite low, and the cost price for these units is pretty much nothing. But I love the fact that you can bundle already. I've seen people sell this separately and this separately. This way, you can actually just basically bundle it together in a nice packaging, and they do packaging here as well. The other thing I like is these collapsible bowls as well. These are actually quite good. They're doing really well as well on Amazon. But the thing about this is you can split the MOQ up over the different colors as well. So if the MOQ is like 1,000, you can basically do 400, 200 if you want. Or if you like, you can identify using the training, right, which colors sell better. So you might find that the blue will probably sell better, and the pink might, right? Because babies are female or male, right? But you might find that this skin color one is probably not going to be very good at all. Well, this one, right? But that's why you have to do the research. That's why you have to find out which one is actually going to be selling more than the others. But I definitely like these. And it's all silicone as well. It's actually all set. It's microwave safe, dishwasher safe. You can go up to silicone as well. It's really safe. No bad, harmful, leaching ingredients.